Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to fix the issue when the fingerprint option is showing up on your phone. This problem usually happens after your phone has been repaired, especially if the screen or battery was replaced. But don't worry, it's actually a very easy fix. All you need to do is two things. First, restart your phone, just turn it off and then back on. Next, you will want to make sure your phone software is up to date. Here's how you can do that. Go to Settings. On the Settings, find and tap on Software Update or Security Status depending on your device. If there's an update available, tap Download and install. Wait for the update to finish and your phone will restart automatically. By doing these two steps, there's a 95% chance your problem will be solved. That's it for today's video. I hope this helps and I'll see you in the next one.